Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix unable to log in on apps and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one, what you have to do is just have to check if the concerned app is outdated, which means if you wanted to go for update, and definitely go for the update. And sometimes by doing a simple update, this can fix the issue. This is really important for social media apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, and all those things. If it's not been updated, definitely you'll be having a lot of trouble. And also do and check if the Google Play service on your devices is having something wrong with the same, because it can even affect the working of the uninstalled application. So you just have to check you just have to check on the Google Play service. You have to check on it. And also the low storage space on your devices can be the reason for this problem, and you have to check even you're having no space. Definitely over here you have to check for it, and if it is not there, definitely you'll not be able to log into the apps, as well as you cannot download it. So it is also very important. There are chances that the actual problem with your account is created on the app, so you just have to check it. So sometimes even after trying out this, if it's working good, so you just have to uninstall the respective app, reinstall it back, and see whether the issue is solved. And if it's not working, make sure there are no recent changes in users policy of the concerned app. Also, one of the reason for the app login related common problem in Realme Narzo 50A as well as its predecessors is it's cleaning the cache of the data for the concerned app. So for example, if you're having issue with any respective app, I'm not saying the particular one, so you can go over here on the app management. From here you can select the respective app list, and also you can scroll down in between and you can select the respective one, and you can go over here and you can go for the respective storage usage. You can clear the cache and clear data, have the options, and you can go for it and see whether the issue is solved. This is very important. You can try this out. And also you might be running in the app in the custom mode, so that can be an issue also a weak internet connection. If it is cellular data or the Wi-Fi, then definitely you will not be able to log in, as well as you are having a network issue, which you have to take care of it. And also check if there is a security concern with the app which is responsible to this problem. So even some cases this can also happen, so you have to take care of that too. And I hope these are some of the basic steps you have to try out when you're having unable to log in on apps issue on your Realme Narzo 50A. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.